paining, stomach paining. Call the doctor, call the doctor. Operation, butterfly, butterfly. What are you doing? Fly in the garden, dancing, dancing. Butterfly, butterfly. What are you doing? Fly in the garden, dancing, dancing, dancing. What are you doing? Fly in the garden, dancing, dancing. Chocolate tinty, chocolate tinty. Stomach, stomach paining, stomach paining. Call the doctor, call the doctor. Operation, operation. Chocolate mama kitty, chocolate mama. See? Up and down, and up and down. The waves in the sea go up and down all day long. Sharks in the sea go shark, shark, shark. Clap your hands, clap your hands. Listen to the music and clap your hands. Stamp your feet, stamp your feet. Listen to the music and stamp your feet. Turn around, turn around. Listen to the music and turn and round. Jump up high, jump up high. Listen to the music and turn ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಡಿದು ಬೇರುತ್ತಾನೆ ಸೇವುನಾನು ಶ್ರಮೋಮಲಿ ಏತು ಚಾಕುರುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಿಸಿ ನಮಗಾಗಿ ಎಂದು ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಗೆ ಮೂಲವೇ ವಾಕ್ಯ ಆ ವಾಕ್ಯವೇ ಗರ್ಭದಿ ಹೊತ್ತ rainbow song. Red, orange, green and blue shiny, yellow velvet, all these colors that you know show up in the rainbow. Thank you. Oh, where do you live? Oh, where do you come from? You little bugs of play. Pitter patter down the window pane, down the window pane. There are big whales and little whales, green whales and blue whales, whales that rise up like a great water wall, whales that can swell softly and don't break at all, whales that can whisper, whales that can roar, and tiny waves that run at you, running on the bed. Monkey is jumping on the bed. One fell on their puppy's bed. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Four little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell on their bumpy's bed. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. No one can tell me, nobody knows where comes from the wind. Nobody knows where goes wind. So standard waves. There are big waves and little waves, big waves and blue waves. Waves that die to waves that swim. God bless mommy, God bless daddy, and help us always to make them happy. Waves. There are big waves and little waves. You can jump over waves. You can. There are big waves and little waves. Green waves and blue waves. You can dive. Waves you can jump over. Waves you dive through. A lion and the mouse home. Once upon a time there lived a lion which was sleeping under the tree. And near to the lion there was playing one mouse which was disturbed to the lion. And lion gets angry. And lion came to the mouse and told him, why are you getting angry? And the mouse told him, believe me, I will help you one day. The lion was getting in trap for net, and the mouse ran to the lion and started cutting the net from his small teeth. All things bright and beautiful. All things bright and beautiful. All creatures wise and beautiful. All whom name is flying. I saw a moon one windy night, flying so fast, all silvery wet, covered the sky like a toy balloon, loose from its string. The run away from moon. My elephant is missing. I cannot find my elephant. He must have run away. He doesn't know the sofa where he promised he would stay.
Chubby chicks, team party, rosy lips, deep within, curly hair, very fat, eyes are blue, a lovely tune. Teacher expects a statue. Yes,
Johnny, yes mama. Johnny, yes mama. What are you doing? I'm driving, mama. What are you driving? A bicycle, mama. Helmet? Oh no, mama. Johnny, yes sister. What are you doing, sister? I'm doing bus. I'm driving bus. Keep a poem in a pocket and a picture in your mind, and you will never feel lonely when you are in bed. The little poem will bring you, the little picture will bring you in the dream. Code name is Everyday. The shepherd goes in the busy town. People and cars and motor cars are running up and down. Every day they come and go. Sun and rain and sleep. That we may have warm cloth to wear and enough food to eat. The poem name is Asking Questions. When I ask my mom once for a tea, she smiles and says, wait and see. If I answer the questions, if my teacher asks me in a minute or wait and see, I know the result what would be. Thank you. Today I am going to tell you a poem, Windy Night. Whenever the moon and stars are set, whenever the wind is high, all night late, dark and wet, a man goes riding by. Late night when fire is out, no one knows why he gallop about. Red, blue, pink and white, you are beautiful in my life. When I close my eyes, you stand